going to feel nice. This is above average and the start of a warming trend for the next few days, all thanks to the position of a high pressure.
Those people postpone their vacation a day just to see them dance too. That's pretty fun.
Worth it.
Good Sunday morning. We're starting out with a lot of cloud cover, but it is warmer than it was yesterday. And you can see some sunshine trying to peek through some of those clouds at the beaches. And if you're a fan of the warmer weather, you're really going to like this week because that's just the start of a lot of really warm weather.
As you would probably imagine, we're going to be looking at warm and muggy temperatures for the entire weekend.
Hurricane Matthew is finally on its way out and actually now barely holding it together as a hurricane, a Category 1 hurricane. You can still see some semblance of what looks like an eye wall there, but there is not a lot of thunderstorm activity, and Matthew is now transitioning from a tropical system to what we call an extratropical system, which means it doesn't have too many tropical characteristics left.
Like, you have to be, right? If you do something like that.
Fall off that horse. Looking at him's not going to help you.
But Florence hit 97 today. The old record for today was 96, set back in 2013. So we smashed a record there.
But you can see this thing is racing out towards Tollersville. Howellsville, still probably a good idea for you to be in your safe place as well.
Now, here's your Storm Tracker 13 forecast.
You just saw Cena out there with a ton of sunshine, which was really nice after starting out at 28 in Sherrod this morning, freezing for Hartsville and Florence, and 30 degrees in Conway. So we had a cold start with plenty of sunshine. We ended up in the upper 50s and low 60s, which was a lot warmer than yesterday. Now we've seen a few clouds drift in from the northwest ahead of a low pressure system that's out towards Mississippi and Texas, but temperatures still really mild right now, especially for Florence, 58 degrees there. 52 for Myrtle Beach, 51 North Myrtle Beach. Still mild, but a jacket kind of night is ahead of us, but it won't be as cold as last night. In fact, just about everywhere, we should at least be 40 degrees tonight. That's closer to normal, still kind of cool, but not nearly as bad as the last couple of nights. 43 at the beaches, a little bit of cloud cover here and there, thin clouds, but no major cloud cover. All of that is just ahead of a low pressure system that's out to the west. It's actually going to miss us thanks to high pressure. That high pressure is actually blocking the low pressure, and this high pressure is on its way out. This was the cold high pressure we've been talking about for a couple of days. It's finally moving. We're going to see it move offshore tomorrow, and that's going to bring a big difference for us in terms of wind direction. It's already from the south now, and as we get more of that wind from the south moving up tomorrow, plus plenty of sunshine, we'll have some places back up to 70 degrees. A little bit cooler here along the coast, but still a great day to go outdoors and much closer to normal. And if you're a fan of the warmer weather, you're really going to like this week because that's just the start of a lot of really warm weather. By the time we get to Tuesday, that's going to be our warmest day of the week, 74. That comes as that high pressure continues to strengthen offshore, and it comes ahead of a cold front. That front will pass late Tuesday into Wednesday, bringing us really our only rain chance over the foreseeable future here. We'll probably pick up about a quarter to a third inch of rain, which is not a lot, but considering we are abnormally dry along the coast and even into parts of the PD, any little bit of rain that we get this week will help. And behind that cold front, not a massive cool down. We'll go from 71 Wednesday to 66 Thursday. No more freezes in our future. So overall, things look to be very mild this week. Current position of the front is still well off to the west. It hasn't moved a lot since yesterday, but we'll see it pass late Tuesday into Wednesday. And the cool down behind that front lasts for about one day. We'll go from 71 Wednesday to 66 Thursday. A little chilly for Thursday and Friday mornings, back down into the low 40s inland. But Friday, after a start at 44, we'll be back to 70 degrees. And then for the weekend, it does look to be a little unsettled. Computer models are not completely in agreement on what's going to be happening, but it does look like regardless of rain chances, it will be warm for the weekend.